That's freaky, man. I love that. Just check out. Hiya folks, welcome to a very special edition of Rewind tonight. Today we are doing a special on the sounds of seduction. They're releasing their CD tonight, and here's the Master of Ceremonies, Jay Katz. How are you, Jay?
Oh, I'm very happy that you're here, Maynard. My God, it's incredible. I'm glad you brought the crew. It's going to be so exciting.
Now it's a launch, there's going to be some wacky people here. You're going to see a theremin tonight, perhaps.
There's Claude the Sonic Manipulator. He has a chest-mounted theremin. He has to wear a very special spacesuit to perform with this instrument because it's incredibly dangerous. It's a life-threatening act, but it's going to be extraordinary.
Now, of course, the sounds of seduction, now we should describe it for people that you sort of go up and down the east coast of Australia, mainly based in Sydney. You started a number of years back, and your idea is you play music that would not be played anywhere else. There are lounge music clubs around Australia, but you take it that one step further, don't you?
A lot of neglected music, a lot of music that was stock music, film soundtrack music, novelty music at the time. It's been thrown to the side of counterculture. We're ripping it, pulling it back. We start around a 1960s discotheque style with go-go dancers and just go out there, Maynard.
In fact, the set is behind us. The go-go dancers you'll see working the cage a bit later, and that's the way they look. That go-go dancers look a bit like that. But look, to get probably every song we're going to play on today's show, you have never seen or heard before. Would it be safe to say that?
Very safe to say that, apart from the Australian artists.
Now, in fact, the ones who are actually starting off with Night Train is this actual track by a French jazz group. Now, what can you tell us about this?
I think this track will actually set the tone for the entire night. The female singer, during her singing on the Night Train, commences to strip tease. It's a very sensual strip tease. It doesn't show you much, but it brings the mystery on, the tension, the sensual feeling. Anyway, I think in a way it's out of the Scopitone jukebox. It's out of France.
Yeah, now we'll explain what the Scopitone jukebox is. It was a 16mm jukebox system. You put your money in, it would play 16mm film. It would project it. And because in '57 the technology wasn't developed, it broke down all the time, and the company went broke, didn't they?
That's right. But
bug it.
The film clips for it was the birth of the 3-minute clip, and they're just extraordinary, Maynard. Extraordinary.
So enjoy Night Train. We don't know what the group's called, but I love when the trumpet player just comes out and starts blasting away there.
I think her name is Diane.
Okay, enjoy the Sounds of Seduction special. Sexy and hot, wasn't it?
She's so beautiful. That's the way to get a night train journey.
Now we're actually, the music is in full swing behind us. Let's just part and let them observe the go-go dancers for a moment. Look at these go-go dancers. These are the Sounds of Seduction go-go dancers and the guy as well. Look at that. It's sexy, it's sweet, it's just a little bit fringed. Now, Jamie, come over here again, man. Now, I think we should calm down. I think we should go down and have a bit of to Sex by the Beach, I think.
Let's get to the water, Maynard. Let's get to the water.
Now, it's an unknown French blonde singing this from the early 60s doing Twist and Shout. Why an unknown French blonde?
This girl is beautiful. What she does with a tree is unbelievable.
Have a look while we have a look at the go-go dancers.
Oublie ta peine, twist et chante tous tes problèmes, et puis cet amour qui te manque. Oui, ne t'en fais pas, oublie tous tes ennuis. Un autre amour va commencer, et demain tout sera changé. Ah, oublie tes larmes, twist et chante. Oublie, oublie, oublie tes larmes, et puis cet amour qui te manque. Oui, je t'en supplie, adieu, tant pis. Ne t'en fais pas et viens twister. Ne t'en fais pas et viens chanter. Quand tout s'achève, oublie cet amour qui te manque. Oui, twist et chante. Oublie, oublie cet amour. Ah, twist et chante. Ah, twist et chante.
Whoa, Jay, whoa, that...
Oh, you know, I thought we were going down the beach to cool down, Maynard. We didn't cool down at all.
We got hot, and there's lots more like that coming on the Sounds of Seduction. No, we haven't actually got any of the music that's on here for a clip, but it's the sort of stuff that's on there, isn't it,
Well,
really?
we've got Wonder Woman. That's coming up, isn't it?
Coming up a bit later in the show, and our dancers are grooving away behind us here. Let's talk about Mike Flowers' Pops here, A Groovy Places, the album. Their version of Light My Fire, a classic lounge track.
Absolutely incredible lounge track. I love the track when it was done actually by the Indians, copied Light My Fire many times. Extraordinary tune, but Mike Flowers' version, unbelievable.
He's a snappy dresser and a snappy singer. Let's have a look at that now. The Sounds of Seduction special.
You know that I would be untrue. You know that I would be a liar if I was to say to you, babe, we couldn't get much higher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Yeah, come on, baby, light my fire. Let's try to set the night on fire. The time to hesitate is through. No time to wallow in your mind. Try, we can only lose, and our love become a funeral pyre. Come on, baby, light my fire. Yeah, come on, baby, light my fire. Let's try to set the night on fire.
Fire.
and races my baby don't care for. High tone places, Liz Taylor is not a style, and even Lana Turner's smile, something he can't see. My baby don't care, who knows? My baby just cares for me. Shows, and he don't even care for clothes. He cares for me. My baby don't care for cars and races. Baby don't care for. He don't care for high-tone places. Liz Taylor is not his style, and even Liberace smile. Something he can't see is something he can't see. I wonder what's wrong with baby. My baby just cares for. My baby just cares for. My baby just cares for me.
Whoa, the Mike Flowers pops there would light my fire. Very sensitive.
He's the one, isn't he, Maynard? Mike
Very
Flowers.
sexy guy. He had the version of Wonderwall as well. Now, behind us here, we've got a bit of a screen. Nothing on it. Now, what do we got going on there?
We've got some other Scoppy tones occurring here, clips that people are going to see throughout the night. Unfortunately, I think that's just a bit of leader at the moment, Maynard. Oh, no, it's a French dancer. She's extraordinary.
Let's just have a little look. Zoom in on that screen of that French dance. This is the kind of stuff you're going to be seeing all day. And, like, don't women all around the world wish they could do that kind of thing these days?
Oh, my God. You know, a birth of the 3-minute film clip. That was the Scoppy tones.
Now, we've got the French version of the Hully Gully here with some very camp men in swimmers. What's the story here?
Just take a look at this clip. The gentlemen in swimmers, they're incredible. Their choreographer, I'd like to have a word with.
Yeah, I tell you what, they're beyond Mardi Gras, aren't they?
Oh, very beyond. This one's going to kill you, boys.
The Hully Gully.
The Hully Gully.
Je ne peux pas vous faire de peine, mais lorsque le twist est arrivé, ce fut un vrai raz de marée. Personne n'a cru que ça durerait. Rien ne peut rivaliser avec le twist excepté le hurly-gurly, car il faut bien que l'on comprenne que si l'on veut que le succès vienne, une musique doit être rythmée assez et pour pouvoir se danser. Rien ne peut rivaliser avec le twist excepté. Quoi? Le hurly-gurly, 3 petits pas de gauche à droite, revenez en même temps, vos doigts claquent, 3 petites pas glissées en arrière, vous dansez comme pas un sur terre. Rien ne peut rivaliser avec le twist excepté. Quoi? Le hurly-gurly. rivaliser avec le twist accepté. Quoi? Le holly-golly, je pense que vous savez maintenant comment en passer un bon moment. Amenez chez vous quelques amis, comme nous l'avons fait aujourd'hui. Rien ne peut rivaliser avec le twist accepté. Quoi? Le holly-golly, trois petits pas de gauche à droite, revenez en même temps, vos doigts claquent, trois petits pas glissés en arrière, vous dansez comme pas un sur terre, rien ne peut rivaliser avec le twist accepté. Quoi? Le holly-golly.
The Holly Gully.
Such a sexy dance, it really is. It's incredible. I can't believe those swimsuits,
They're
Maynard.
pretty special, those guys in those swimsuit. I tell you what, in fact, look, it's funny you'd meet Andrew G come over here, the host of Bite a Man, coming over. Now you actually play the theremin, don't you, which we're going to see later in the
The
show.
launch, oh my God, look at these interesting people down here. I've seen them somewhere before.
Yeah, there's a few
Oh my
sus
God,
people.
Yes, dangerous people.
What do you reckon of the music?
Oh, I'm digging it. The Go-Go Girls. I feel like I'm on a Saturday afternoon Elvis movie.
Well, look, we've got Vicky Carr coming up here now. What's about this song? What's special
Well,
about this one?
this is like a condensation of the entire West Side Story in a 2.5-minute tune. It's unbelievable. It's set in a park. There's daggers, razors, and dangerous things.
The thing to remember, it's a public park, and there's probably people just off camera watching them and wondering what the hell they're doing.
Or maybe doing other things. Lots of things have gone down in public parks, Maynard.
Let's discuss that while the clip's on.
Fantastic things. You and I can take a walk out the back. Come on, let's discuss.
I have eyes for you to give you dirty looks. I have words that do not come from children's books. There's a trick with a knife I'm learning to do, and everything I've got belongs to you. I've a powerful anesthesia in my fist, and the perfect wrist to give your neck a twist. There are hammerlock holes, I've mastered a few, and everything I've got belongs to you. Share for share, share alike. You get struck each time I strike. You for me for you. I'll give you plenty of nothing. I'm not yours for better, but for worse. And I've learned to give the well-known witch's curse. I've a terrible tongue, a temper for two, and everything I've got belongs to you. Share for share, share alike. You get struck each time I strike. You for me for you. Nothing. I'm not yours for better, but for worse. And I've learned to give the well-known witch's curse. I've a terrible tongue, a temper for two, and everything I've got belongs. Everything I've got belongs. Everything I've got belongs to you.
Whoa, Vicky Carr there, everything I've got. What a clip. Like, you're going to be seeing lots of weird stuff like that on the show today. I thought, well, that was in a park. We'll have a look at Mr. Bob Down and Pastel Vespa in a park doing their version of Paperback Rider and the Ballad of John and Yoko from Bob's Jazzy album. But I was talking to the sort of regular goer here. I understand you're not a regular of Sounds of Seduction, sir, but what do you think of the music here?
I think it's great. Yeah.
It's pretty different, ain't it? Pretty different, old as me actually, yeah. Oh, right, okay then. See, it appeals to each age group there. Let's have a look at Mr. Bob down there. Who wants to round the pool table? Are you a regular at the Sound of Seduction at all?
Pardon?
You're a regular here at all?
No, not been here before.
Well, whoa, it's a first timer, a virgin to the Sounds of Seduction music. What do you make of the sounds here?
I think it's great, actually.
Hey, bud?
I think it's great.
It's great.
I'm enjoying it.
Well,
Thank you.
good luck. I hope you win. Okay, it's pants down for the loser, okay? Now, let's have a look at Bob Down. Pants down in the park with Pastel Vespa doing their John and Yoko thing. From his jazzy album, Paperback Writer, Mr. Bob Down.
Paperback, paperback, Caraíta. Madam, will you read my book? It took me years to write. Will you take a look? Based on a novel by a man named Lear, and I need a job, so I want to be a paperback writer. Paperback writer. Paperback. Paperback writer. To the Amsterdam Hilton, talking in our beds for a week. The newspaper said, say what you're doing in bed. I said, we're only trying to get us some peace. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're going to crucify me. Made a lightning trip to Vienna, eating chocolate cake in a bag. The newspaper said, she's gone to his head. They look just like two gurus in drag. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're going to crucify me. Saving up your money for a rainy day, they're giving all your clothes to charity. Last night the wife said, oh boy, when you're dead you don't take nothing with you but your soul. Oh, think. We're checkers. Paperback writer. Oh, paperback writer. Oh, paperback got a good reason. Oh, take on the easy way out. I can get no satisfaction. A bed, it crossed the mess. It's Pastel Vespa!
Mr. Bob Down!
Oh, mwah, mwah. Over there, darling.
With a key, you unlock a door to imagination. Beyond it is another dimension, a dimension of sight, a dimension of sound, a dimension of mind. You're moving through a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. Guiding you through this wondrous journey is the hypnotic sound of the Twilight Zone.
Through a tunnel of the mind, perhaps a present or future time.
way, though, I tell you what. Bob Downes' jazzy album there, Paperback Writer with Pastel Vesta. A very interesting track. If you haven't seen Mr. Bob Downes, you should check out the guy in concert. We're here at the Sounds of Seduction CD launch. The man himself, Jamie Katz, is up there. It's time for that very special time. It's actually thanks to TV1. We're going to show you Wonder Woman, which is on the Sounds of Seduction album. It's a very special moment. Normally men are not allowed on the dance floor during this. Let's have a look at Wonder Woman. She's out the back there hiding and ready to go. Just check it out over there, my man.
You've got it.
Here she is, Wonder Woman herself. Crank it up. Whoa.
Where's that small girl?
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman.
All the world is waiting for you and the power you possess.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman.
All the world's waiting for you and the power you possess. In your satin tights, fighting for your rights, and the old red, white, and blue.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman.
Now the world is ready for you and the wonders you can do. Make a honky dove, stop a war with love, make a liar tell it true.
Wonder Woman, get us out from under. Wonder Woman,
All our hopes are pinned upon you and the magic that you do. Stop a bullet cold, make the axis fold, change their minds and change the world.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. You're a wonder, Wonder Woman.
Whoa, whoa, what a great number. Wonder Woman.
This is the peak, the Wonder Women, multiple Wonder Women.
Well, see, going off. What,
Now, the Wonder Woman theme, the second season theme is on the CD, Maynard.
Oh.
I don't know where the CD is, but the girls are behind me.
Oh, it's a great piece of work. Oh, look, we've still got to see what we're up to in the show here, Jamie. We've got so many wacky music. Where are we? He's got the power now. Excited.
He's got the...
Okay, this is the follow-up to Tell Him. This actually charted in Australia. No, in the 60s. Let's have a look. We're going to dance to more Wonder Woman. Here's the Exciters. Man, we're excited. Wonder Woman. There it is from May 1963. The Exciters there with He's Got the Power, the follow-up to Tell Him That You're Never Gonna Leave Him. We're grooving right now. Andrew has never been here before, and he's been here for a while now. What do you reckon of the Sounds of Seduction Club?
The go-go action, it's doing it for me, Maynard. I feel like I'm on Batman.
Considering every track here was like written and well forgotten before you were born.
Well, I feel like I'm on Batman when Batman used to go to the nightclub and do the Batusi.
No, here's Jay Katz. I'll talk to you in a minute, Andrew. Jay, oh man, we're just going to now. We're just about have a chat to Mr. Frank Bennett here. We've got Frank Bennett here doing his version.
You know, he's been round the traps for years. He's like me. And he finally got his break, Maynard, and he deserves it.
Now, I might just like to explain actually what's going on here. We're actually shooting for the show, and while you're watching the clips, Jay's up there on stage talking to the people live, isn't he?
Yeah, it's a bit confusing.
But schizophrenic for old Jay.
Absolutely, but I'm loving it, Maynard. Loving the fact that you're here.
Let's have a look at Frank Bennett. Woody's Garbage Girls having a bit of a dance around with the poker machine. You get up there, Jay, and do your stuff. Opportunities, Mr. Frank Bennett. You're watching the Sounds of Seduction special on Rewind.
I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. I've had enough of scheming and messing around with jerks. My car's parked outside, I'm afraid it doesn't work. I'm looking for a partner, someone who gets things fixed. Ask yourself this question, do you want to be rich? I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. You can tell I'm educated, I studied at the Sorbonne. I doctored in mathematics, I could have been a Don. I can program a computer, choose the perfect time. If you've got the inclination, I've got the crime. There's a lot of opportunities if you know where to take them. There's a lot of opportunities. If there aren't, you can make them. Make or break them. I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. Let's make lots of money. Got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. You can say I'm single-minded, I know what I could be. How do you feel about it? Come take a walk with me. I'm looking for a partner regardless of expense. Think about it seriously and know it makes good sense. There's a lot of opportunities if you know where to take them. There's a lot of opportunities. If there aren't, you can make them. Make or break them. I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. I've got the brains, you've got the looks.
Oh, Frank Bennett there going off with his poker machines. Opportunities. Let's take a walk across the dance floor here.
Incredible man Frank is. I think he's going to be here live, Maynard, tonight.
Now, I'll tell you now, this dance floor we just walked across there has seen many famous incidents, hasn't it?
Absolutely. One of the most famous ones was the breaking of this hand. But a lot of other strange.
He took a fall. He was doing his Schumann mirror ball act or something, and he bloody took a fall.
With the high altitude lambada. Could you help it? Could you help it?
Now, you've got to get back to the DJ box. I'm going to talk to a few of your regulars here, okay? Jay Katz, at Sounds of Seduction. There's a few people at the bar here now. I understand you're a bit of a regular here at Sounds of Seduction.
Oh yes, all the time, every week.
Now, what do you make of the music? What makes you come week after week?
Sorry?
What makes you come week after week, my man?
The music, the people.
What's so great about, what's so different about it?
It's just everyone's happy. It's not techno. It's, it holds up. Techno will not hold up.
Okay, well, I tell you what will hold up. That's this track by Della Reese. Now, you can catch her on Foxtel doing Touched by an Angel, I think is a show she's doing, which is funny because the name of this track she's doing is called If I Never Get to Heaven. Bit of a strange one. Have a look at this. You're on Sounds of Seduction Rewind Special. Is this a weird shit show or what?
If I never get to heaven, won't be because I ain't tried. Lord, if I never get to heaven, child, it won't be because I ain't tried. You see, I've got myself an angel. That's all I need to be my guide. If I never hit a 7-11 once or twice, I ain't doing bad. You better believe it, baby. If I never hit a 7-11 once or twice, I ain't doing bad. You see, I've got myself an angel. Lord knows, Lord knows, Lord knows that's more than I have ever had. He builds me up, but he can cut me down. Oh, he treats me so doggone good when he's around. He'll take me out, catch a little breeze. Don't bug me, gentlemen. I've got every doggone thing I need. I got myself an angel standing here by my side. Yeah, he builds me up, cuts me right on down. Ooh, Lord, he treats me good when he's around. Sometimes he'll take me out, we'll catch a little breeze. You should see the gentlemen flirting with me. They don't know I got every doggone thing I need. I got myself an angel standing here by my side. Yeah, I got an angel by my side.
We're coming to you live here from the Sounds of Seduction. What's it like working behind the bar at the old Sounds of Seduction?
Not too bad.
She's enjoying herself there. Oh, sorry, whoops, she's pulling a beer and I interrupted her. Now, you can see what the light show looks here. We're here at the beautiful Landstone Hotel just on City Road here. And everyone's just hanging out. How's your night going, my man?
Good, thank you.
Now, why are you a Sounds of Seduction fan?
I am.
Yeah, why?
Because they just sound very good.
He just sounds fantastic. He just wants to get as much as he can of that Sounds of Seduction. I'm feeling seduced now. Talking of strange stuff. Kylie Minogue, Danny Minogue, Young Talent Time, doing Sisters Are Doing It For Themselves. If you have seen this, you know what you're in for. If you haven't seen it, please don't try to operate any heavy machinery while this is on.
Hey! No, it's good, but it's not quite right in that second line. Can we do it one more time? Do you mind? One more for me, all right?
I think it was a bit sharp. Yeah, okay.
Now there was a time when they used to say,
Kylie, are you sure you know the words to this song?
now there was a time when they used to say that behind every great man there had to be a great woman. Don't think these times change, you know that it's no longer true.
Wild stuff there. Kylie Minogue and Danny Minogue, sisters, are doing it for themselves. And we're doing it for ourselves. Oh, sorry, she's got to take your shot. Take your shot. I don't want to nobble her. You know, there's a lot of money riding on this game going here. But we're hanging out the Sounds of Seduction. Let's go over, excuse the back of my head here. We've got a couple of regular goers here. You're a regular appearance here at Sound of Seduction, are you?
Yes, every week.
Okay, now how do you reckon the way to dress here is?
Whatever you want to wear.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
You think this tie's a bit much?
No, it's perfect.
Perfect. See what I mean? You can never get it wrong when you come here. What do you like about the music here?
Makes me feel awesome.
Yeah?
It makes me feel very, very good. Very relaxed.
Like, you just come here and you go, huh? What? It's a bit mind-blowing, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but it's become like, it's the only place that I can handle going out to, actually.
Oh. Well, I don't know if that says more about the club about yourself, but thanks for chatting to us. Hey, and why are you a big Sounds of Seduction fan, my man?
Because there has to be a place for all the misfits of this world.
It does, really, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Psychiatrists could spend quite a lot of time in here just on one Saturday night, couldn't they, really?
That's right.
Thanks for chatting to us. Now, I tell you what, this is a very interesting track we've got coming up now. It's a band called Condor featuring George and Teddy. Now, George and Teddy, I'm not quite sure which ones they are, but they're featured pretty heavy in it, and they're doing their version, Mary Had a Little Lamb. I just had to think about that, and yes, that's exactly what it is. I had to think, am I actually putting this on television? Yes, I am. You'll see what I mean. Condor featuring George and Teddy. Mary Had a Little Lamb.
That was incredible. What a nursery rhyme. What a reworking of a nursery rhyme, Maynard.
Now we're standing right in front of the sexy go-go dancers here. Where did you find these girls and guys?
Oh, it took us years of searching, tracking down the right ones. It's a series of special ingredients.
You don't get these kind of dances from the CES, boys and girls, that's for sure.
No, you don't. And years of trial and tribulation.
Now we've got the last track of the show, a very special show. We've saved the best for last. Buddy Greco, The Lady is a Tramp. What year? Give us the background.
This is about 1965 and it's just extraordinary, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this clip. This is the future of retrospective clubbing.
That's why the lady, that's why the lady, that's why the lady is a tramp. Tramp. She gets too hungry for dinner at 8. Hates the theater but never comes late. Shh. She never bothers with the people she hates. That's why the lady is a tramp. Don't go to crap games with Barons and Earl. Ladiana won't go to Harlem. And Emerson Pearl, she won't dish the dirt with the rest of the girls. That's why the lady is a tramp. She loves the free, fresh wind in her hair, life without care. She's broke, that's oak. Hates California, it's so foggy and damp. And that's why the lady is a tramp, tramp, tramp. Why? She gets massages, she cries and she moans. Tell Slenderella just to leave her alone. She's not so hot, but her shape is her own. That's why the lady is a tramp. The food at Jilly's is great, no doubt, but she doesn't understand what my motel room's about. She puts in a dime and some ice comes out, and that's why the lady is a tramp. She loves the free, a fresh wind in her face, diamonds and lace. No God, so what? For George Maharis she whistles and stamps, and that's why the lady is a tramp. Now she don't know the reason for cocktails at 5. She don't like flying, but I'm glad I'm alive. I crave affection, baby, but not when I drive, and that's why the lady is a tramp. She flew down to Rome and left me behind. I missed a breakup, but Liz didn't mind. She won't play Scarlet and gone with the wine, it's got a rhyme, and that's why the lady is a tramp. I'd like to hang her hat wherever I please and fly with a breeze. No dough, forget it. She thinks that Floyd Patterson's still a great big champ, and that's why the lady is a tramp. Now she goes down to Coney and she thinks the beaches are fine. She goes to the ball games and thinks the Mets are fine. She reads Kilgallen and understands every line, and that's why the lady is a tramp. She likes to go rowing down Central Park Lake. She digs a prize fight that isn't a fake. Why, she even goes to the Waldorf and stays wide awake, and that's why the lady is a tramp. I like the green grass under my shoes. Now what can I lose? She's flat, fat, that's that. She's all alone when I'm alone with my lamb, and that's why the lady, and that's why the lady, that's why the lady is a tramp.
Ah, Buddy Greco, the lady is a tramp. What?
That is extraordinary, that clip. It's just unbelievable. I love the rocket. I love the car. I love everything.
Okay, to launch the Sounds of Seduction CD, if this is the kind of music you've enjoyed on the show, it's your kind of stuff here. Now, look, thanks for watching. It's been a blowout. Thanks for letting us use these very rare clips, which you'll probably know. Even Rage hasn't got this stuff, have they?
No, they haven't got it at all. It's a pleasure, Maynard, only for you.
Pleasure. Look, we're going to go finish up the rest of our day night. Go,
Come on, come on.
Okay. Catch you later. Catch you next time on Rewind.
Throw your clothes on the floor. Chew gum. Drink out of the carton. Listen to loud music. Stay up late. And demand all your favourite video clips. Phone 1902
Carpenter's close to you. Take one.
Do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? They long to be That is why all the girls in town follow you around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled gold dust in your hair, a golden starlight in your eye was blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you around. Just like me.